I have one more question. Like, if I find winners who is giving me like great conversions, how do I replicate those kinds of ads? Like after a certain period of time, they're gonna die. So, do I change the format? I think language will be important more than speaking, and that will be important. But how do you like recreate the winning ideas, like winning ads? Like how do we do that?
Okay. So an ad comprises of five things. Understand this, okay? It's really important. Just a second. Okay. So the ad, okay, sorry, which you have comprises of four things. Okay, it's a mixture of four things. One is your offer, okay, then your angle, then your format, and finally the persona that you are targeting. Okay. I'm not targeting your target audience. I'm telling you about the persona. Okay.
Okay.
Now you have to figure out which one or which thing can you change over here. So in order to replicate this ad, you can, if you change any of these, it becomes a new ad.
Okay.
Okay. So it depends upon you. Like if you know this is a winner, then either you can change the persona, you can keep, offer, angle, and format the same, or for the same persona, you can change the offer and then see what is working. So this is how you multiply. There are a lot of other things also, small components which are there. I can list them over here, but majorly it comprises of all these four. If you keep on playing around with these four, you will be able to create infinite ads,
Okay. Got it.
right?
Hey, I hope you liked the video, and if it made you wonder whether your Facebook ads could be performing better, that's exactly what we help businesses figure out. Now, most of the time, the problem isn't obvious. It could be your strategy, your creatives, your tracking, or the way your account is being managed. So, if you want clarity on what's actually hurting performance, click the link in the description and book an audit. So, it's a paid audit because we take the time to properly review your account, identify the real bottlenecks, and do a proper diagnosis. So, if you are running Facebook ads and want to know what is wrong with your account, then click the link below and book your audit. Also understand that this is a diagnosis call. We'll not be able to prescribe you the medicine over here. Okay. We'll just tell you what's wrong with your account. And if it makes sense, then we can explore the opportunity to work together. That's all. And it is paid because diagnosis does take time and it requires a lot of attention. So in order for you to be serious and us also to be serious, that's why it's a paid call. So if you are serious about scaling your Facebook ads, then click the link in the description and book the audit call right now.